Welcome back to the channel, guys. I just picked this thing up. This is a project. It's a 2010 Toyota FJ Cruiser Trail Teams Edition. And it drives, it's got some issues with the steering. We're gonna fix all of that. But we're gonna start out by cleaning it. If you look around, maybe in the camera it doesn't pick it up, but there's like a layer of dirt. It's been sitting for quite some time under a tree and it's just quite disgusting. This is a really cool color. I was thinking about getting a yellow or blue one, but this one popped up in the marketplace and I went to get it, and here we go. So let's look around first because I want to show you how dirty this thing is. Up close, you can actually tell like the dirt ingrained in there, but from a distance, it doesn't look bad. These cars have become collectors as of late, so you don't get great deals on them. I was very surprised that I got a decent deal on this. Reminiscent of the Honda Element. I guess you can consider this a Honda Element on steroids. And it does have the suicide door. This is how I got the car, so it is quite amazing. You know, I love driving it already. You know, it's not a car that gets great gas mileage, but surprisingly better than I thought. It does have 4 seats and it's got 3 windshield wipers in the front. So very quirky vehicle right off the front, and we have to do a whole cleanup here. I'm keeping this thing for a while and I managed to get the 2010. The 2010 is a special edition and it's the new generation of the FJ Cruiser. My Toyota Tundra, there was a guy selling a FJ Cruiser that was friends of him. And he had it for sale and he decided to just turn it into a dealer instead. But I was trying to get that blue one. So here we go. This is that massive, massive door. And it is humongous. You could also open up the windows. These windows on the back, they flip up if you don't want to open this large window, this large door. The previous owner left a lot of stuff in here. Like I said, it hasn't been cleaned in quite some time. Just look at that roof. That is caked in here. That dirt is just caked in there. So hopefully it's all going to come out. Go ahead and start removing all of this garbage that was inside the car. It's just a bunch of chemicals. I don't know exactly. They're going to be useful. I mean, we have like lubricant stuff. So this is all good stuff to keep. We have a cable. I'm not sure exactly what this cable is. We'll have to figure it out. Yeah, paper towels. That's useful. Get this. Oh, that's interesting. So this is the bench. Just kind of folds like this to reveal more trash. All right, Cinderella. Let's get ready for the ball. Man, yeah, it is coming off. You see that? Dirty. So dirty. It's coming off really nicely. They have 3 little windshield wipers. So interesting that they put 3 windshield wipers on this car. It's got a little scrape on the side door. Whoever had this was a candy aficionado, so there's candy just everywhere, and dog hair. And that's the FJ Cruiser, guys. The first cleanup of it. and it's looking pretty darn good. So funny, like you still see so many of these around. So I got to remove that spare tire, but the first good clean of it, and I think it's looking really nice. Let me show you inside. There we go. So that's the power steering pump right there, and I have the steering rack ready to put on because this thing is very difficult to steer, unfortunately, as it is. But yeah, really beautiful inside, and I can't wait to get this on the road. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.